Hey viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today our topic is about LG Split AC remote. This is our LG Split AC remote. Last time we make a video on LG Split AC remote, how to change our AC from heat mode to cold mode. The function of and today we discuss in this remote that how to increase or decrease our fan speed or how we will run this in auto mode. So let's open our remote. It show us this is on cooling mode now, and the set temperature is 24 this time. And last time we discussed this how to change our AC from a hot heater mode to cooling mode, and this is the mode button of our AC remote. This you can see this is on cooling mode this time, and you see this now dry, this one on dry mode, and this is heat mode, and this again on cooling mode. But today our topic is about fan speed. This is the symbol of our fan speed. This show us our fan speed. In every AC, most of the ACs, there are three fan speeds in each AC, and this LG AC also have three fan speeds. So we have a button here for fan speed is this one. You can see this. This is the fan speed button. When we press this, you see this. This is the symbol of auto now. You can see this. This came now. This it means this fan speed is on auto. It will manage automatically increase or decrease the speed of the fan on depend on your set temperature of cooling and room temperature cooling. When we press this again, this three you see here showing us three dots. It means it's the first speed. It means the low speed. Minimum speed of fan is this one, and when we press it again, it goes to the second speed of the motor. And when press this the third time we press this, it show us the full speed. It's on full speed. Our fan speed is full, so our split is blower in this position working in the full speed. uh, some people like to run their AC on the full speed. In the starting, you need to run this on full speed for quick cooling. And if you don't, when the cooling came in your room, if you don't want more noise in the room, split AC mostly have no more voice. But if on full speed, there is a little bit voice in the indoor fan. But if you think that's more voice in your fan speed AC, so you can decrease this from this button. So you can easily this on auto, minimum speed, uh, medium speed, and this is full speed. So it's all about the increase and decrease of fan speed of your split AC remote. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe my channel.